Tired of struggling with dry, damaged hair that just won't cooperate? The Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask promises to bring your hair back to life with deep conditioning and lasting protection. Packed with a blend of plant lipids and butters, this 6.8-ounce treatment targets hair that needs extra support, leaving it noticeably softer, shinier, and healthier from root to tip. What sets this mask apart is its powerful formula designed specifically for medium to thick hair types. Infused with avocado oil, sacha inchi seed oil, green tea seed oil, shea butter, and coconut oil, it nourishes every strand while reinforcing the hair fiber to reduce breakage. I tried it after bleaching my hair blonde, which left it feeling fragile and hard to manage. After just one use, my hair felt silky smooth and easier to comb, no more tugging or breakage during styling. The mask works in just 2 to 5 minutes, making it an easy addition to your routine without any hassle. Beyond its performance, this product is vegan-friendly and cruelty-free, reflecting a commitment to ethical beauty. Aveda, the brand behind this mask, proudly operates with 100% wind power in its manufacturing, so you're also supporting sustainable practices with every purchase. If you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves, the Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask is worth a look. Apply it after shampooing, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse thoroughly to reveal softer, stronger hair that shines with health.